Hi, today I'm going to show you my bathrooms tour. We have two bathrooms in this house. One is the master bathroom with a single bathtub, no shower. And the other is our hall, kind of central bath, and it has a shower but no tub. This house is from the early 1950s and very little has ever been redone in it. I'd say a moderate renovation in the master bath with the medicine cabinets. I took off the doors that had mirrors on them. It was a very intense process that required a lot of chiseling. And I took those off, I painted them black, and I pasted wallpaper on the back that is in a tropical pattern you'll see in the video. But it is really fun. I like the open shelving idea, and it's a great piece as far as staple in the bathroom. We don't need it too much because we don't have a lot of stuff to put on the shelves, but we really do like having a little bit more our touch in the bathroom. Without further ado, here is where we're at prior to DIY renovations. For our bathroom, I talked about this before, but our medicine cabinets that I ripped the door off of, painted black, and then did like a tropical wallpaper backsplash. But these bathrooms are kind of crazy. I had to take a lot of hardware off the walls. I do not love this very strange ceramic tile and a heater next to the toilet area. This panel right here, there's some really strange things about this bathroom, but we've been trying to make do. The pink carpet continues in here, and then kind of the copper and silver features, which are so strange. Under here, we just keep a toilet brush and a trash can. Down here, extra toilet paper. This is my ladies' stuff, and these are just like extra, what is this? Ponytails, Band-Aids, dog medicine, tongue thing, and a facial massager, and extra razor blades. So, nothing too much in there. Makeup and jewelry. And so it's kind of our daily toothpaste, facial oils, brush, Q-tips, lip balm, deodorant. Our other towel for our son. This is pretty much just their bathroom as far as like they bathe in here, and we use the shower for the most part. And this is all decorative. I don't have enough stuff to put over here, and that's just a refill for my facial oil. And then bath toys, of course, that live in this drawer but never find their way home. A heating pad, extra glass drawers for medicine cabinets, and then just some decorative candles, our handmade soap. Yeah, but our kids use this, and they just use the bar of soap that's in there. And I do love this mirror above the bath. And there's some really fun glass details up here. But I actually like this bathroom, but I don't know. This is definitely a before shot. And then in this bathroom, which is going to be my next project along with the garage, we have these top-down, bottom-up shades, which I love. Really nice for privacy and also light. I recently took a plant down from up there, a piece of my art, but I think I'm going to rehome that in another area. Super cool vintage lights. For everything we have in here on the top shelf, we have Q-tips in a little jar, a comb, my hair clip, my facial oil on the next row with my deodorant, some little essential oil, and eye cream next to that. There's just a little spatula inside this, and a hair tie. And we use this to hold rings when we're in the shower. And then we have my son's toothpaste, tooth mineral powder, and then we just got a new toothpaste next to that, floss, toothbrushes. I love these little toothbrush holders to make them stand up. I don't really have duplicates, but I do duplicate in the bathrooms so that we don't have to go back and forth to get more toothbrushes or toothpaste, depending on what is the best space to take care of ourselves at that time. But I have some hand soap right here that we make, and then just a candle. And then we just got this in the dark motion detector nightlight for when he has to go potty in the middle of the night, and it works really well. Down here, trash can, toilet cleaning stuff. Hook on the back of the door. We just do our one bath mat in here for when you take a shower, you put it down, and when you're finished, you put it up. It's very simple. Just shampoo and facial cleansing oil, razor, a washcloth, and a soap bar. Hand towel, gigantic toilet paper stash, guest towels, a potty for the kids, wet wipes for the kids. This is a little bit of a hoarding situation. We have pregnancy tests, a hair towel. This is a Benedict clay that was way more than I thought I was getting. I thought it was much less in quantity, but I leave it in here for face masks. This is my hair cutting kit, and this is either in here or in the laundry room cupboard. And I have this mirror with it because I cut my hair, my husband's hair, and the kids' hair, and many of our friends' hair. This is our to-go travel toiletries thing. There's nothing in there except toothbrushes to go. A straightener that I use for curling my hair also. And since I'm almost out of shampoo and totally out of conditioner, this is the one I just bought with the travel conditioner and a face oil that I'm gonna take with us on our trip. You can see they have the tiles in here again with the dark green, which I don't dislike as much as the other bathroom. And the trim is the same color as the wall and the ceiling, and it's all this kind of khaki green tan color. But I kind of think I'm gonna go white trim and then just black walls. I know it's a small space, but I think it'd be really fun. Thank you for watching my bathroom tour, and I will keep you posted with my projects on them in the process.